I know you're waiting for the taste test. Look, perfectly cooked in the middle. Just cut a little bit here. Let's go. Wow. 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 Yep. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. We're going to make some chicken today. Fried chicken. It is super crispy. Inside is unbelievably super juicy and tender. We've got some amazing spices on the go there. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got my chicken here. As you can see, I'm just using some drumsticks. You can be using a different part if you want. We're going to add some spices to this. Here we go. These are all equal parts, by the way, about a teaspoon each. Salt, black pepper, chili powder, thyme, nutmeg, coriander, and cumin. Simply going to get in there and get those spices all over our chicken, and then we can move on to the next step. This is going to be fabulous, this one. Okay, so we've seasoned our chicken with the herbs. 2 eggs, tablespoon of soy sauce, and then some hot sauce. I'm going to use some Tabasco. Just want to get a little bit of that in there. I mean, as much or as little as you like, actually. So there's maybe a tablespoon of that in there. Then what we're going to need is a little bit of Sprite, 7-Up or lemonade. Sounds strange, but it does work. Then to that we're going to add some plain all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Whisk. See you in a minute. Okay, there you go. It doesn't need to be super thick. I mean, you could make that a bit thicker if you wanted, but that's fine. Let's move on. Okay, so we've got the chicken seasoned. We just made our wet mix. We're going to make a dry mix now. So I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons of flour in there, again, all-purpose flour. I'm going to get some salt in there. And then I'm going to add these guys. So a couple of teaspoons each of chili powder, cumin, and turmeric. Again, you could be adding some other different spices here if you wanted, but I find these 3 to be adequate. We're going to give that a little mix, and now we're ready to get the chicken together. Okay, so seasoned chicken, wet dip, dry mix. That's what we need. What we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of chicken, we're going to wet dip, and then we're going to dry dip. If you want, you can double dip as well to get a nice extra thick coating. Let's get on with that. And as you can see, I'm giving it a nice squeeze so we get it on there, on the dry mix. Let me complete these, we can move on. Okay, before we get started, just look at our oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you want. I've got 2 to 3 centimeters in there. You can shallow fry or deep fry. I'm kind of going in the middle really. Now, get a wooden spoon, hold it down, There's no bubble in there. See, it's just starting to bubble a bit. That means the oil's not ready. Now, you want the oil hot, but you don't want it crazy. I'm going to leave some details below in the text. If it's too hot, you're going to burn the chicken on the outside. It'll be raw in the middle. Disaster. So yeah, check the text below, and it might just pop up and you'll see it in a moment. But yeah, also, chicken. When you put chicken straight from the fridge into oil, it's going to really reduce the temperature of the oil. So you want your chicken out for a while. We've been coating away, so our chicken is not at room temperature, but it's not cold, you know, straight from the fridge. I'll be back in a moment when that oil is ready. Okay, the spoon test. In we go again. Okay, there you go. We've got bubbles coming up now. See that? We're ready to go. What we're going to do is get our beautifully coated chicken and we're going to drop it in. Don't crowd the pan. I mean, I haven't got a lot here, to be honest. There's not a load of chicken. So I'm going to get it all in. Like I say, too hot. It's going to burn the outside. Raw in the middle. Not hot enough. It's not going to get very crispy. These are going to take about 6 or 7 minutes each because they're, you know, small drumsticks. If you're doing chicken thighs or legs, you want to go for about maybe 9 minutes. Chicken wings, maybe 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to be turning them every now and then. So I just want to show you the temperature of the oil there. You can see it's bubbling away, but it's not going absolutely crazy. Like I say, more than that, you're going to really burn the outside. It's going to be black before the inside is cooked. We're doing pretty good here. I've only got about another 2 or 3 more minutes to go here. Then we're going to fetch these out and put them onto some kitchen paper or kitchen towel. They're beautiful. Okay, just turn the heat off. Let's get these out. Absolutely incredible. Super crunchy. And I'm predicting going to be beautifully juicy in the center. So onto some kitchen paper or kitchen towel just to get any excess oil from them. Look at that. That is incredible. See you in a second. Okay, and there you go. They really are top notch, really. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, say hello. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.